Welcome to the first floor of the home. As you can see, there is the most desirable washer dryer on this floor. That's very, very convenient. There are 4 bedrooms on this floor. Let's move over this side. We can have a look. This is the first bedroom. That's right next to the magnolia tree when the windows are open. Attached bathroom. This is the second bedroom. Great for family with kids. Attached closet as well. As I've mentioned, the washer and dryer is here, right here. And this is the third bedroom with an attached bathroom.